Bro.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rar. Extra nuzzles bounces on you, ooh, you so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your Voltron across the floor. Nuzzles your necky, wacky, tilde, tilde, hee hee. Unzips your baggy ass pantsuit, baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me wag my little baby tail all for your bulgy wulgy. Kissies and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh.
Please adopt me.
Balls on your bulge as I lick my lid. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this very shit. You don't see it coming.
What? Oskar,
Ja,
jag klarar en extreme demon i ett samtal med dig.
med mig? Med mig?
What? What the hell?
What?
Måste jag bara...
Are we alive as or dead as?
Så sparar man.